My name is Dominique Davis, also known as Brown and Bendy, and on this channel we practice flexibility of the mind, the body, and the spirit. If you would like to know the very first step to manifesting a desire, a crucial step. Why is that car so loud? A crucial step, which I would not recommend missing, then continue watching. So here's the thing. We are all manifesting. Whether you believe in law of attraction or not, whether you believe that you can manifest things into your life or not, you're still manifesting along with everyone else in the universe. The thing to realize is we manifest things within our belief system. It doesn't take effort because it's already within our belief system. So for example, let's say that there is a person who is more negative. They don't know they're negative, they're just a negative person. And they have a lot of conflict in their life. And they've always had a lot of social conflict in their life, so much to the point where they expect it. They have a subconscious belief that eventually all relationships end up in an argument or a fight somehow. And then in their life, they constantly see conflict within all of their relationships. So then let's talk about a positive person. Let's say, and I can attest for this, it's really crazy. Let's say a positive person says, I have no conflict in my life. I handle all resolutions with communication or distance. And both parties have two different subconscious beliefs, but let's say the negative person was tired of always fighting, was tired of always arguing, and they were like, no, I'm not doing this anymore. Let's say they do some reading, they learn about belief systems, and they tell themselves, okay, I have no conflict in my life. Of course, when you start to change belief systems at the very beginning, it's kind of hard to jump on the train. You gotta like run after the train and then jump on it and then just hold on for dear life. Agreeing to a new belief system can be hard, but once you start, saying the affirmations or telling yourself the belief over and over, eventually your mind starts to believe it. So let's say a negative person tells themselves that they never have any conflict. What happens is their subconscious mind, now they've set an intent. They've set an intention to not have as much conflict in their life. So what the subconscious is going to do is introduce different thoughts to that person that would allow their behavior to result in different outcomes that the person hadn't experienced before. Because they're saying, I don't want conflict in my life, they're moving in the world a different way because they've set that intention within their subconscious. So you cannot skip this. The number one first step of manifesting a desire is acknowledging your belief system. Your belief system, not reading, and I don't mean to say this in a judgmental way because I just got here, so I'm not judging at all. This was something that I had to digest for myself. But even if you are reading all the books and watching all the YouTube videos and listening to podcasts and getting as much spiritual information that you can, at some point you have to recognize that you have a specific belief system that is a result of everything you've gone through. And it's not going to 100% relate to anybody else's belief system, as in what you hear on these podcasts, read in these books, or see on YouTube. Once you acknowledge that you have your own specific belief system, you start to become aware of it. And I am not saying that you have to understand your belief system backwards and forwards. I'm not saying that you have to have this deep, complex understanding of your psyche. That's not what I'm saying. I'm literally just saying you have your own belief system and you know it. A lot of the time we get so caught up in the negative thoughts that we have. This is at least me talking from my personal experience, that we don't take a step back to understand that it's not just one negative thought. It's a whole machine. It's a whole part of workings, and that is the belief system. And that belief system is what is perpetuating certain thoughts, and there's a reason for it. Law of attraction states that everything in your current reality is a result of your past thoughts. Therefore, our belief systems determine our reality. Acknowledging that you have a belief system and starting to pay attention to what that belief system is is paying attention to the very thoughts that create your reality and the very thoughts that can open you up to a new reality. The only way to change your thoughts and the only way to start matching that frequency of vibration of what you want is by shifting thoughts. And the only way to shift thoughts is to know the thoughts you're shifting. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all I got for you today, and I will see you on Tuesday. Remember to comment, like this video, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I appreciate you so much for watching, and I realized I did not wipe the lens off before I filmed. It's fine though. It's fine.